अस्सलाम वालेकुम। चॉइस न्यूज खुसूसी रिपोर्ट में आपका खैर मकदम। आप हैं एडिटर इन चीफ चॉइस न्यूज मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर के साथ। पेश खिदमत है ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट।
एसडीएस कॉलेज के गार्ड्स को विसर्जन करने की अनुमति चाहता हूं श्रीमान।
Give it a pleasure to welcome you all for समन्वय 2025 एनुअल डे सेलिब्रेशंस। तंत्रों को किसी नियत उद्देश्य से एक सूत्र में पिरोना ही समन्वय कहलाता है। आज का कार्यक्रम एक साथ है। Visionary forefathers of Agrawal Shiksha Samiti sowed the seeds of girls' education to empower the women way back as students from KG to PG with a philanthropic philosophy to serve the society. To start today's Samanvay 2025, One Vision, One Celebration, may I now call upon the stage Sri Manish Kumar Ji Agrawal, Correspondent DB Junior College and Coordinator of RKWC, Convener of today's program, onto the dais please. A big round of applause dear students. Combined celebration of this gesture, I request our Honorary Secretary Sir, Sri C.A. Naveen Kumar Ji Agrawal to please grace the dais. Now I would like to request Vice President of Agrawal Shiksha Samiti to please come over to the dais. Samiti to please grace the dais. A big round of applause to call upon Sri Pramod Kumar Ji Kedia, President Agrawal Shiksha Samiti, to come over to the dais and preside over today's function. A big round of applause dear students. I request her to please grace the dais. We will start today's program by offering salutations to our motherland, India. May I now call upon the students from Radha Krishna College to sing Vande Mataram.
वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या रामां पातु सरस्वती भगवती भारती निशेषजाड्यापहा निशेषजाड्यापहा.
Atmosphere is turning into a divine sphere where we are experiencing a big round of applause, dear students. Thank you so much. Shri Pramod Kumar Ji Kedia to preside over today's function. A big round of applause, dear students. It's time for the welcome address. May I now call upon Sri Manish Kumar Ji Agrawal, correspondent DB Junior College, to give the welcome address.
Great pleasure to welcome each one of you today for Samanvay, annual day program of the colleges of Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. I extend my heartful welcome to guest of honor Shri Purushottam Ji, our beloved President Shri Pramod Ji Kedia, Agarwal Shiksha Samiti of Agarwal Shiksha Samiti, and all the dignitaries on the dais, head of the institutions and staff, students and parents. It is the first time in the history of 100 years of Agarwal Shiksha Samiti, we have decided to celebrate a common program, annual day program for all the junior colleges, degree colleges and PG center. Does it call for appreciation? In the centenary year of our Samiti, it's a new beginning to join the hands and make Samanvay of all the energies, cooperation, talent and spirit of oneness has resulted in this celebration. I feel happy to be the convener of this memorable occasion. Once again, on behalf of Agarwal Shiksha Samiti and personally from my side, I welcome you all. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.
College life is an important and most memorable phase of one's life, starting right from intermediate to graduation and then post-graduation. A student is molded through constant academic, curricular and co-curricular activities which metamorphosizes an individual into a great personality. I would now like to request Dr. C.H. Dalpadal Sir, Principal, SDS College, to present report of Junior Degree and PG colleges.
To Nidal, the distinguished guest of honor, C. E. Purushottam, Vice Chairman, Council for Higher Education, Government of Telangana, respected President Agarwal Shiksha Samiti, Pramod Kumar Ji Kedia, Honorary Secretary, C. A. Naveen Kumar Agarwal, correspondents of colleges, colleagues, parents and my dear students. I feel privileged and honored to stand before you today to present the consolidated annual report of all junior, degree and postgraduate colleges of Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. At the outset, I want to express my sincere gratitude to all the dignitaries, management members and everyone present for gracing this occasion. We have gathered today not only to celebrate Samanvay 2025, one vision and one celebration, but also acknowledge the significant progress we have made over the past year. Has grown for its modest beginning as Kanya Pathasala, catering the education.
Our guest of today's event, Professor Etikala Purushottam Garu, Vice Chairman, Telangana Council of Higher Education. We welcome you, sir, to Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. Our President Shri Pramod Kumar Ji Kedia, Vice Chairman Shri Ravindra Kumar Ji Agarwal. You people are all, I am referring you people as class of 2025. This is a special name given to the batch of this year, and it is very special because this is a new beginning. We are into 100 years, and this batch of 2025, the class of 2025, the name given by us, and this batch is special to us. The year is special to us for the management of Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. और ये चेंज को थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट जब होगा उसका पता हमको लग रहा है, और जो टीचर्स है, स्टाफ है, और आप लोगों को भी पता चल ही रहा होगा. अभी नए नए कोर्स, नए MBA आपको पता होना चाहिए, आप लोगों को तो पता होगा. वी आर हैविंग MBA, वी आर हैविंग MSc, वी आर हैविंग MCom, and we are having MCA also. And this year we have added BBA. We are having Sir Purushottam Sir also. He will talk about the courses, and Sir has very generously told that tomorrow you send your team of people. He will be ready to help for any problems which Agarwal Shiksha Samiti is facing. So we are very thankful to Purushottam Sir. And he himself had told that why you people are not planning to open law college or some other colleges, which other colleges, but we are working on that. I told sir that we are working on opening a law college. For your information, I am telling you, in a very short span of time, you are going to see a law college in Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. And that is a dream of our President Sir. And very soon you are going to see a law college in Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. We are working on different courses, different subjects, and we are going to bring the best talent to you people. आप लोग यहाँ पे जब स्कूल में एडमिट होंगे तो हम चाहते हैं कि आप ग्रेजुएट, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट या प्रोफेशनल बन के निकले और अच्छे से अच्छा नाम कमाए आपके पेरेंट्स का, इंस्टीट्यूशन का, और कुछ नहीं. तो आप लोग यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा पढ़िए. फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स आई एम टेलिंग यू, थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए पढ़ाई पे. और ये टाइम है, अभी जनवरी है, स्पेशली फॉर द इंटर के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बता रहा हूँ मैं. 1 महीने का टाइम है. वी आर हैविंग द इंटर स्टूडेंट्स ना, वी आर हैविंग, यस. सो वी आर हैविंग ओनली one month time. Study well, and we want to get the best of the marks. And best of luck to you all. Thank you very much.
Our colleagues on the dais, teaching and non-teaching staff, and dear students. This is the day that we all celebrate, from the staff, from our managing committee, from our teachers. Dear students, you all have chosen your own courses to shape your future. What you decide also decides the shape of the society as well as the world. So please dream big, work smart, and go after your goal. I wish you all the best.
Its alumni have excelled in various fields and reflecting profound impact of the quality of education. Today, as we celebrate the annual day, we reflect the collective efforts of students, teachers and parents. This day allows us to recognize the dedication and has brought us to this point. It is a moment of honor, the nurturing of talent, instilling values and preparing individuals for the challenges of the tomorrow. As we embrace invitation, it is crucial of recognize of the responsibility of entails technology. Together we create environmental and learning innovations and empowerment students become as a leader. In this midst of our busy lives, I urge to every pivotal role in shaping our future. Their wisdom, dedication and tireless support to the bedrock upon which we will build our. But there is no changing in the other to any values of the society, how to respect the teacher, how to respect the parents, how to do something for the poor people, how to do something for the society. We have to learn from the school and these colleges. So thank you giving this opportunity for this Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. And thank you for one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your visionary thought to introduce new changes in the curriculum by introducing practical orientation of project reports for the students right from intermediate to graduation and then post-graduation levels.
Today's guest of honor, Sri A.T. Kalla Purushottam Garu, Vice Chairman, Technical and Higher Education of Telangana. Really, it is a very momentous occasion that we could invite him as a guest of honor. It was our pleasure that a man from Old City, what is being said, from Uppuguda to reach this highest position of Vice Chairman. Sir, you will be the guide, philosopher, torchbearer to our institution, and we are really exalted to see you as our guest of honor. Sri Ravinderji Agarwal, Managing Trustee Sri Mohanji Gupta, Secretary Sri Naveen Agarwal, and all the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and my revered Guru Sri Shyamsundarji Mundra. He also appeared on this day on our request. We are really very much happy to see you on this occasion. All the heads of institution, teaching, non-teaching staff, and my dear lovely students, I greet you, I compliment you on this annual day function of our all the degree colleges, including junior colleges also. And it was the planning of our Secretary Naveen to have a giant annual day function. It is confluence of junior college, degree college, and all the colleges who are participating and part of this annual function is really commendable. Annual day celebration is being celebrated for the
Today, Agarwal Shiksha Samiti celebrated its annual day for 2025. Samanvay, one vision, one celebration for the year 2025, and it was for all the colleges from intermediate to degree and including the PG colleges run by Agarwal Shiksha Samiti. And it was a massive event, grand event, and
all the parents, students, lecturers, everybody attended the same, and Professor E. Purushottam, Vice Chairman of Telangana State Council of Higher Education, was the guest of honor, and he has attended the function, graced the event, and our President Shri Pramod Kumar Ji Kedia has presided over the event, and it was a massive one, and all the students have enjoyed the function and the cultural programs. They have particularly the students, they have participated in the cultural events. They have done all the they have done a massive few days they have participated and done lot of practice for the cultural event, and it was done in a very big way, and I thank the management members, our principals, and congratulate the award winning students, the merit award what they got, and our teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and everybody involved, especially the people involved, the committee members who have made the arrangements for this event. And thank you, and the press and media who has covered the event. Thank you, thank you.
हमारे नुमाइंदे मीर हैदर अली ने आप तक पहुंचाया। अब एडिटर इन चीफ चॉइस न्यूज मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर को इजाजत दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज।